All right, good morning, everyone. So I'm live. There's some technical problems. So welcome to another episode of Xah Talk Show. Today is 2020, August 29th, and it's 10 o'clock in the morning, San Francisco time. Today is Saturday. So there is one question. I lost my live chat. So there's a question, Juhani. I watched your video on Lisp syntax. I always thought A.B and foo had weird syntax too. Language designers have annoying habit of making the same design mistakes in the name of familiarity. Yeah, that's about Lisp syntax. So I have a talk show talking about Lisp syntax. So what's up, guys? Type something in the chat box. It looks like I missed. There is something missing. Let me try. Let me try to fix my stream. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, my chat is back. Good morning, guys. Informatic. Good morning, Bart. Say something. So let me know if I'm live. And we are going to do Emacs Lisp coding today. So type something, guys. Type it. So let me just begin then. Because let me just begin. So today's background image is this one. Okay, so let me show you. So Xah keyboards, you'll find this page on my keyboard blog. Just search for Xah keyboards, and so this is Google. This is Google keyboard, very good. This is Kinesis Advantage 2, and well, today's picture is this one. Okay. Anyway, that's a background image, and let's start to do today's stuff. Okay, so I want to do. Let's magnify, and on the pink window on the right, you can see all my keys and commands I type in Emacs. So show in browser. Let's see. Wait, I don't want to close it. Magnify, show in browser. So Emacs modify Xah HTML lines to DL. Oh, entity. There is one thing I want to do. So let me open notes file, entity. Okay, this is what I want to do today actually. So let's paste it here and show in browser. So I have a command. The name of the command is Xah HTML escape char to entity. So let me show you what that does. Okay, so if you, let's say you copied something from the web. Okay, let's say you copied something. Let's copy that one. Okay, you copy it, you paste it here, and let's say there are some characters such as that, and let's say there is someone says AT&T. Okay, so you copy to your website, but you see these characters needs to be escaped into entity. So I have a command, and also this ampersand character. So I have a command that does that. So let's show. So I'm going to call the command. I press the key. So the command is called Xah HTML escape char to entity, and you can see it changed those characters to that. Let me do it again. Okay, so let's copy it here. Let's delete that. So that's the text, and I call the command, and it becomes that. It's necessary in HTML, because if you show this in HTML, let me show it. So you see it doesn't show, it becomes .AT&T, because this, you need to escape the less than and greater than sign in HTML. So this command does exactly that. And now if you show in browser, refresh, then you see what it is. Now this command is very useful because sometimes you want to copy a entire, for example, news scoop posting, someone, a big chunk of text, and you paste it to a buffer. You have to find such occurrences of greater than sign and less than sign, and also the ampersand sign, and you have to escape them. So it's very tedious. So this command is great. So I just press one key. Let's do it again. I press two keys and they are changed. And if I want to do to the whole buffer, we can do that too. For example, let's say this. For example, this section. Okay, I press a key, and you can see they all become a bunch of that. And if I show in browser now, it becomes this kind of markup. So this command is super useful, but I want to make some modification, because once I call it, so let's do it again. Okay, so suppose I select all these chunks and I do it. If I have a huge document, I don't know, I want it to highlight it. I want all the occurrences that's changed to be highlighted. So that's what we are going to do today. So let's look at the source code. Okay, show source code. So what I do is I call describe key. There's a shortcut to the command describe key. Then I just press the key for the command. So I press the key, so it tells me, Emacs tells me, delete comma, runs the command Xah HTML escape chart to entity. Okay, that's the one I want. And tap to the link here and press enter to go to the source code. So you can see here is the source code. And we are going to modify this code. Okay, copy that, make a new buffer, paste it, save it. Okay, what name do I want to save it? I want to save that name. Okay, so start with XX. XX is my convention for temp file, and put in a date. Also, you see, every time I call the mini buffer, I want the font to be large. So because when I'm doing live stream, I want the font to be large instead of manually changing it every time. And also, I'm getting old, so it would be nice if it's large. So let's write that, and we might do that later. Okay, so let's write it down here. Make make the font in mini buffer larger. So we'll find out how to do that after we done the live coding. Okay, so now back to the code. Xah HTML mod, that's the mod all these commands are in. You can find it on my GitHub. Just search for Xah HTML mod. Oh shit. Am I shit. So I guess I'm not alive. Yeah, fuck. Okay, so looks like I got a streaming problems. Fucking stupid YouTube, Google. So basically, what happens is that Anyway, so I'm going to restart on a different stream. So if you are watching me right now, that's gonna be dead. I'm gonna start at the stream, the URL where I posted before, and you're basically starting over, okay? And this one is going to be deleted. So bye, bye guys.